You probably did not know this, but a lot of jewelry is actually 3D printed. It starts off as a digital CAD design that is made with the exact dimensions and details of the piece of jewelry. That digital model gets then 3D printed in a castable wax resin. The printed piece of jewelry will then get cast in your metal of choice. This is done using the lost wax casting method. Essentially, a mold of the 3D print is made to pour the metal into it for casting. There's a lot of debate in the jewelry industry over whether or not this method leads to mass production of jewelry that lacks the character of traditional handmade methods. But what do you think? Is it a powerful tool for precision, efficiency, and creative expansion? Or maybe combining both methods gives you the best of both worlds?